Hello and welcome to the channel. With the postponement of the Guba election by a week, state governors are scrambling at the last minute to ensure all goes their way. Despite the widespread condemnation of the presidential election, it still threw up some unexpected surprises. This has prompted the prior lax governors or complacent governors to sit up and take notice, or in this case, take action. Find out what they are doing, some of these governors, to protect power at all costs. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you. Tension in Osun, Edo, Anambra, others as governors battle to control assemblies. Saturday's House of Assembly election is looking to be tougher in Edo, Anambra, Osun, and Imo than the other 32 states, according to projections by our team of reporters. The odds in the four states seem heavily stacked against the incumbent governors, who are now under pressure to ensure their party controls the majority of the incoming legislators. Realignment of political forces in Oyo, Ogun, Rivers, Katsina, Adamawa, and other states following the outcome of the February 25th presidential election has already heightened tension ahead of the governorship polls, also scheduled for Saturday. Although the governorship election will not take place in Edo, Anambra, Osun, and Imo this weekend, Governors Godwin Obaseki, Edo, Charles Soludo, Anambra, Ademola Adeleke, Osun, and Hope Uzodinma, Imo have an uphill task to deliver their states for their respective parties. Obaseki's People's Democratic Party (PDP), Soludo's All Progressives Grand Alliance (APGA), and Uzodinma's All Progressives Congress (APC) performed poorly in the states in the presidential and National Assembly elections. PDP's performance was so awful in Edo State that Obaseki and his deputy, Philip Shoaibu, lost their polling booths. The party came a distant third in the presidential election, while the Labour Party and APC won the majority of the National Assembly seats. Gone is the sympathy the PDP enjoyed from the majority of the people in the 2021 governorship election. The governor and his deputy have since launched an aggressive campaign to woo back the people, but the plan does not appear to be working. The presidential candidate of LP, Mr. Peter Obi, visited Benin yesterday and told the supporters to ensure that all the incoming 24 members of the State Assembly are from his party. Soludo too has been appealing to the electorate in the state, majority of whom lined up behind LP in the last election, to vote for APGA candidates this time around to enable him deliver on his promises. The governor yesterday described as deceitful a comment by Obi that LP State Assembly candidates should work with Soludo after Saturday's election. Soludo spokesman Mr. Christian Aburime said that call was meant to deceive Anambra people. Obi cannot be talking about development in Anambra and also be talking about asking the Anambra people to elect lawmakers from an opposition party to work with Soludo. He worked with a legislature that was dominated by lawmakers from the PDP when he first came in as governor, and he knows that it was not easy for him. He even suffered impeachment because of that, and we hope it is not the same thing he wants to set Soludo up for. Anambra people should go all out next Saturday and vote for APGA if they want the developmental strides of Mr. Governor to continue. You cannot be talking of development and at the same time talking of electing opposition politicians into the House of Assembly. It is not done. It is deceit. Anambra people supported Obi during the presidential election, and besides, Soludo refused to interfere as the people trooped out to vote for Labour Party, and that was even before Soludo made the environment conducive for people to come out and vote. We have voted Labour Party in the presidential election, but for the House of Assembly election, we are voting for APGA, and we want Anambra people to know so. Aburime told the nation separately that the House of Assembly elections will be a different ball game altogether. He said what the governor would not allow anyone to do is to cause problems during the election, adding that if INEC holds a free and fair election, APGA will triumph. For Ozo Obi Ochije, one of the chieftains of APGA, The Labour Party candidate should not dream of what transpired during the presidential to repeat itself. According to him, Anambra State is Abga and Abga is Anambra. My problem with the LP members is that they only think straightforward without looking for other options. Uzodima's dilemma is similar to Soludo's. He has a daunting task to get the electorate to vote for the majority of APC candidates. Former Imo Assembly Speaker Kennedy Ibe, who is contesting the Obowo seat for a record third time on the platform of APC, will slug it out with the Labour Party candidate Mbashu Nkechi Favour and PDP candidate Shika Ambrose. Adeleke's PDP fared well in Osun State last month, but he too is leaving nothing to chance as he has spent the last 1 week moving from one part of the state to the other to get support for PDP candidates. For Governor Adeleke and his predecessor Adegboyega Oyetola of the APC, the Saturday election will be a fresh test of their popularity. Both are determined to win the majority of the assembly seats for their parties, more so when Oyetola is looking forward to returning to office on account of the petition he filed against the last governorship election. The election petition tribunal adjudged him winner, but Adeleke has taken the matter to the Court of Appeal. Adeleke, since his inauguration, has been trying to endear himself to the people by clearing salary and pension arrears. Oyetola urged the people of the state to vote massively on Saturday for the candidates of the APC, saying this will go a long way to make things easy for his administration when he returns to power soon. He said, "We want you to continue to pray for us to reclaim our mandate soon. We want our people to win in the next House of Assembly election so that no opposition will be allowed. We want you to know that APC is the only party that can take us to victory. This is the party that God has made for us. This is where benefits lie. Please vote APC all through. If we truly want to benefit from the federal government, please, let's elect our people to House of Assembly. These are the people that will work with us when we return to government." Adeleke in a broadcast explained why he needed the State Assembly to be filled by the PDP members. He said, "For me to continue to serve you well, I request that you vote for the 26 House of Assembly candidates of the PDP. They are the team I will work with. They are very important for the implementation of the Imole agenda. A PDP fully controlled state assembly is the key to more dividends of democracy." That's the news, guys. Thanks for listening. Until next time, bye.